Okay, so here is the plan for today. We have a little adventure going on. Right now we are at McDonald's. We're going to get some breakfast because we were out of milk this morning, so it's just what's happening, part of our adventure today. And as I was scrolling TikTok this morning, I saw a video of a buffalo crossing the road in Wyoming, and I love seeing the wild buffalo. I remember seeing lots of buffalo when I was a kid, out and living in Colorado and Wyoming. And so, what do you guys think of the buffalo? What do you think of the buffalo?
Good. Go.
Do you want to see buffalo?
Yeah. Go.
Do you think they're big?
Yeah.
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 Well, there's a buffalo farm out here in Pennsylvania where we are. Oh, so they're gonna get to go see some buffalo. They're not wild buffalo crossing the road, but should still be fun.
Fun.
Yeah, fun.
Fun.
What do you think? How big do you think the buffalo is? How big? Thumbs up? Okay, yes. Give this video a thumbs up. Can you say thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. All right. We're going to go get some breakfast in us. All right. We'll see you in a minute.
Bye. Bobby. Bye. Touch the bottom. That has a donkey and a stroller.
Who is that? Okay, so breakfast is done. We're on our way over to the buffalo farm, and the lady who served us at McDonald's was telling us that this buffalo farm is actually a petting zoo. So we're actually gonna get to feed some animals and pet some animals. So they're really excited to go now. Ready to go?
Just like that one in the store. It's hard to see because we're not moving around.
Chicken. Margaret, feed the donkey. Have you pet the donkey?
They're just a little for you.
Here, give him to this one.
Good baby.
Oh, look at the baby.
Size.
Oh, don't drop it. Want to see the baby? They're all babies to you. There's some young buffalo over here. He's chewing on something. That's the baby. They're wondering what you're doing. No, they're all good. Say hi. Think you can touch them? See, they're a little shy of people. Try. No, it's a mommy. All right. Okay, so we got some of the chicken eggs from those chickens that we saw, and we got some frozen beef stick, bison smoke stick. The bison sticks, kind of expensive, but Mike will love them, I think, and hopefully the girls will like it too. What did you get, Margaret? Almost got it open.